During the Ukrainian attack on Russian bombers at the Belaya airbase, white smoke can be seen rising from a Tu-160 flight line. Interestingly, the smoke is coming from the front of the bomber, not from any damage. So what's going on here? This smoke was intentionally deployed by the Russian crew to protect the bombers. It's believed that the attacking drones might have been operating autonomously using artificial intelligence for target identification and destruction. The smoke was likely used to confuse or disrupt the drone's targeting systems, and due to this intervention, it appears that there were no Tu-160 losses. Still, there are major aircraft losses, including 7 Tu-95 Bears, 12 Tu-22M bombers, 2 A-50 AWACS, which were most likely abandoned, 1 AN-12, and 1 IL-78M transport aircraft. These all adds up to 23, which is a significant loss in terms of capability.